Doug Ford's redevelopment of Ontario Place is being challenged in the Supreme Court, specifically challenging the laws that Doug Ford passed in order to fast-track construction. And the group challenging it is called Ontario Place Protectors. If you remember when Ontario Place was rapidly bulldozed and all the trees were taken down basically overnight, this is essentially what is being challenged. And when they had challenged this in the Ontario Superior Court, the Superior Court had sided with Doug Ford, stating that the legislation that was passed is constitutional. So the fact that this is being taken up by the Supreme Court is considered unexpected by this group. Now, this does not mean in any capacity that it is guaranteed that the Supreme Court will rule one way or the other. But in their Supreme Court challenge, they are raising concerns not just for this case, but things that would impact other provinces across the country. According to them, now democracy is at stake, with their lawyer saying that this court case now is an issue of national importance. According to him, under Section 96 of the Constitution, courts are given very broad powers, and the Rebuilding Ontario Place Act strips the courts of such powers in regards to this construction. Part of that is that you can't sue over this. Part of that is that you can't challenge a lot of this in courts. The legislation that Doug Ford passed basically made it so that the government can do whatever they want whenever they want without any challenge to them. So the Supreme Court of Canada might say, hey, you can't take away the court's power to intervene. Another issue is more vague and is something that has not been solidified in Canadian law. Essentially, it is understood that the Canadian government should be holding certain things within public trust for the use of citizens. But the public trust doctrine has never been fully confirmed in Canada, with this group saying that the Ford government is breaching the public trust, as they removed all the environmental and heritage protections for that site. Do you think they're going to be successful in the Supreme Court? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below.